Hey everybody, this is Fully Echale Porras Productions, and today we'll be making
Shut your mouth! Hey everybody, this is Fully of Echale Porras Productions, and today we're gonna show you guys how to make some awesome California burritos. Let's get started. So, like its namesake implies, the California burrito was invented in San Diego, California, and it consists of typically carne asada, but you can get it with some other meats, French fries, some cheese, and some guac. And if you want to Mexican it up a bit, you can add some rice or beans, but those are optional. And then obviously you can add your salsas, your sauces, whatever you want, but the base, carne asada, French fries, cheese, and guac. So to get started with our carne asada, you need to have your meat. And the cut of meat can vary from flank steak, skirt steak, milanesa, but basically it just has to be any of the thin cuts of beef. So today we are actually using some milanesa, so as I said, bottom round steak, for those that don't know milanesa. And we've marinated it with a typical carne asada marinade, which is usually lemon juice, lime juice, orange juice, salt, some cilantro, some onion. You mix that all up and you put your meat in there. You let it sit from anywhere from 30 minutes to, let's say, 3-ish hours. You don't have to go too long because they are thin slices of beef. So 30 minutes is enough. And then you don't want to go too long because then the texture starts getting a bit wonky. So for our meat today, we're actually going to be grilling it up, which means we're going to take you guys outside. All right, and here we are outside with the Cuisinart 360 griddle. We got our meat ready. We got the grill ripping hot. Let's get to it. Get some oil on there. Then you're gonna wanna use a paper towel to distribute that over your grill. So since these pieces are relatively thin, we'll be able to cook them on a ripping hot grill super quick. So about 2-3 minutes per side. Let's get them on and let's get them rolling. Let's chop one up and see how we did. And remember, if you're not cubing up your meat, make sure you cut against the grain so you get the most tender bite. Give you a quick look at the inside. Look at that beauty. Slightly peak on the inside, which is how we like it. And you know, we gotta try out the meat because this was a new tested marinade, so we gotta make sure it's good. That's some good shit. And now that we know that the meat's good, it's time to assemble the Avengers. It's time to assemble our burrito. So for that, we got a big ass tortilla, which I've seen bigger, but size doesn't matter. All right, so we're gonna get our tortilla. Tortilla. Oh my God. So let's get our burrito assembled. We're gonna go with some beans and then pile on as much or as little carne as you want to, or however much your tortilla can hold. And while I had all that going on, I had some fries cooking up in the air fryer. So let's get those out. You wanna put your pile of fries, again, as much or as little as your tortilla can hold. This is gonna be a fat little boy. Get your cheese. Now the cheese is more of an accent flavor. It doesn't have to be the main thing. And last, but definitely not least, our guacamole. So super simple to make. Avocados, tomatoes, onion, lime, salt, and cilantro. So put that over top. As much or as little as you feel like. And now it's time to try and roll this mother. If I roll this thing perfectly, Chipotle, I better be hearing from you. Boom. Look at this. It's just a little loaf. It's not as big as I thought it would be. It's probably just a little cold, which is why we're gonna toast it off on a skillet real quick. So, all right, and here it is in all its toasty glory. We like to toast it just to give it a bit more texture, a bit more structure, get that nice Maillard reaction on the outside, and to slightly melt that cheese on the inside. The only bad thing is you might get a slightly warmed up guac, but we can live with that. So let's chop this thing in half. Look at that. Sexy! Meat, potato, cheese, and guac. A perfect burrito. All right, let's try this out. It's just a perfect combination. Meat, potatoes, guac, cheese. And here we have Mr. Damien, who's been running all over the place lately, so he's only made it onto the end of the video. You wanna try it? Mmm. Mostly French fries. Awesome. Is it good? Yes?
Is it good, baby? Is it good?
Even he knows I make some good shit. We hope you liked the video. Full recipe is gonna be down in the description. Down in the description, and we'll have a recipe card out soon. Go out, make this California burrito, make it however you want. If you don't want to use carne asada, use al pastor. Use some shrimp, use some fish. Whatever your imagination tells you to do. Anyways, I've been Julio, this has been Damian, and this has been Echale Porras Productions. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever you do with the video. Whatever you do with the videos. But we'll see you next time. And as always, mas. As always, stay safe, stay awesome, peace. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Mwah.